How to fix repost option not showing up on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go out a few steps on how you can fix repost option not showing up on TikTok. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Now first things first, you can open up TikTok and head over to certain video, right? Then tap on the share icon and you should be able to see the repost option as you can see right away. If you do not find it here, you can try swiping towards the right. If it's not showing up, if the repost is not working, head over to your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy from the list of options at the bottom. Now here you want to scroll down and you can see cache and mobile. You want to tap on free up space and you want to tap on clear cache. This will remove any glitches or bugs within the app and you should be able to repost again. So this is how you can fix repost not showing up or working on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.